Ibungalaba jisindwanyo. Ibungalaba jisindwanyo. Onye nemema ibungalaba. Jesus ibungalaba mo. Ibungalaba jisindwanyo. Onye nemema ibungalaba. Chimo ibungalaba mo. Ibungalaba jisindwanyo.
Chukwa kike Atigo nye dikagi Chukwa kike Narekela jike Chukwa kikele Atigo nye dikagi Chukwa Narekela jike Chukwa kikele
Mama. Chama, can you see how you are reducing yourself to nothing? For what? Eh?
Ichiozana, I beg you in the name of my late father. Let me be, please.
Chama, I won't let you be. I won't let you be. Jump into the car and let us go and
have sex.
Of course. Of course. Eh? Listen, after that, your life and that of your family will never remain the same again. Forever.
Chiozala, it looks to me like you are the one. You are the one behind all my family has been going through from day one. Just to frustrate me into sleeping with you. Okay?
God forbid. Why would you think that? Why?
In other words, you are only but a wicked man. A wicked man who is exploiting his late friend's tragedy and that of his family just to achieve his sexual desires.
Choma, you are taking this out of context. Yes.
What do you want from me?
As always, sex. Sex. Eh? Listen, if you are now ready, my car is free. Come on. Come on.
Where do you want it? In your car or in your house?
Choma, you know I am a titled man. We should go to my house. It's beautiful. Good.
I'd love to kiss your hand too.
Oh, really? Okay.
The next time you try this nonsense with me, it will not be your fingers I will bite, but I will chop off your manhood. I will chop it off. Yes. Okay.
Hey!
Stinking old man like you.
You're wicked. It will never be well with you. Come on. In your next word, it will never be well.
You have seen the entire farmland. I want you to weed it thoroughly and cultivate. Can you do it?
I can do it. I can do it very well.
The reason why I'm asking you is that if it is not well done, my father will not pay you. You know my father. He will not pay you.
I will do it very well. You don't have to worry.
So, how much is good for you to do the job?
Any amount you think is good enough, it's okay by me.
What manner of bargaining is that? Can't you mention any amount?
Well, I haven't done this type of work in somebody's farm before. So, I don't even know what to bargain or how to bargain it.
Okay. You know what? Once you are done with the job, I'll tell my father to pay you 3,000 naira. Deal?
If it's okay by you, it's fine.
Thank you.
Sorry, did I say something wrong?
No. As soon as you start the job, come to me for your morning, afternoon and evening meal. And as soon as you finish this one, remember the first portion of land I showed you. Of the land.
Yes. Thank you. Mama, like we discussed earlier, you will do the selling alone. If you do not trust the buyer and the money you were given, you're somebody. Beg somebody to help you identify the money. Inugo, I will be off to Papu Bioma's farm now to start the weeding and cultivation job that I got. And I will be back later in the day to take you home. Inugo?
Oh, good evening. Welcome. Now 100 naira.
I take by myself.
No, wait. Are you sure this is 100 naira?
Yes, my son and I.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
Papu Bioma gave me some cassava to use as my meals for the 2 days I'll be working in their farm.
Hey! Hey, whoa!
Feel it. Hey! Fat cassava.
Hey!
Feel it.
Abuke Emeka?
Yes.
Hey! If Kokora Kaji? Hey!
Mama,
eh?
Guess what I want to do with them?
Yeah.
I want to process it into Gary.
Hey, Gary? Yes. Shoma, I think I have a better idea. Tapioca.
Tapioca?
Yes.
That is abacha.
Nyano, it can easily be sold. And we'll make money out of it.
If we do that, what are we then going to eat? Tapioca too?
Yes, Choma. Tapioca is good food. I think with that idea of tapioca, we'll make it, sell and make more money, buy more cassava, buy foodstuffs and make savings. The broom business is still there. Nobody's touching it. Hmm? What do you think, my daughter?
It's a good idea. I like it. Let me drink water and eat right. Then I'll come back and begin to peel it. Let me.
Chova.
Let me eat.
Huh? Yeah. Bring some more. Let me help you.
Yes, Mama.
Eh? Huh? I go there now, oh, yo, nwa. Ofunwa can wili. Arinze. Your sister is trying, no? Hmm? She's struggling. We'll soon come out.
Yes.
How much?
This one's for 50 naira, this one's 100 naira.
It's
and
too
it's too
small now. It's too small.
I'll give you 3 of this for 200.
Okay, 200.
Let's just manage it.
It's okay.
Please, I don't have mine. Don't be angry.
Don't worry.
What of your mom? She's fine. She's at home.
Hey, greet her.
Greet her. Bye.
Surprises, Stanley. I hate them with a passion. I have tolerated surprises for too long. From us to know. Most annoyingly to Kelly. I've had enough of surprises. Enough!
Your Majesty, the prospect of them raising money needed to successfully defend Arinze's case is not there at all. To me, they are just surviving from it.
I don't want them to survive at all. I don't want Arinze to be defended at all. Anyhow you look at it, eyebrows will be raised by people the moment the location of the oil wells becomes public knowledge. People will suddenly realize that those oil wells were located in Enuwa and Onowo's lands. If by then any soul from those two families still survives, another surprise might spring up from an unexpected source, and then I might end up the ultimate loser.
You want all of them dead?
All of them. Maybe in less dramatic manner. All of them. Osmond, Arinze, Chioma, and Adako. All of them.
Well, the summary of it all is that his spirit was quite lifted on hearing our progress so far.
Hey!
Like us, he's swimming in hope. Hope that this whole crisis is coming to an end by God's grace.
Oh, I can't wait to hold him in my arms as a free man.
I know, Mama. You will. You'll hold him. Here. I bought snacks for you. The same place I bought for him.
Yeah. Hey, that would be a change of diet for him.
That's true.
Shall I share this one?
I don't want. Mama, eat all of it. I am too hungry for this. What I need is solid food.
There is soup inside though. You can make eba for yourself.
Exactly what I need right now.
Mercy, poison your mother too?
Huh?
You are under arrest for deliberate food poisoning. Arrest her.
Hey! Mama! Mama! Wait, my mother is lying down unconscious. I want to defend her.
Arrest her!
How dare you make an attempt on my life?
Arrest me. I swear to you, I didn't do it. I did not do it at all. I didn't know.
Don't you even dare to lie about it. John, after me, you remorselessly went back home to do the same thing to Mama. A blind widow. How dare you? What has come over you?
How can you even believe that? That I will poison those snacks? What would be my gain?
Freedom. You want the freedom to go away.
And what? Just stop it! Stop for a moment and think. If freedom from the crisis in our family is what I desired, why would I want to kill any of you to achieve that? I mean, I can simply just go to any big city, join the girls that live roughly and live life on the fast lane without having to soil my hands with blood. My own blood!
Without killing us, we will be a big scare on your conscience wherever you go. The thought of us will never allow you to enjoy your freedom. That's why you did it. Deny it. Deny it, Choma.
Assuming you were right, which do you think will be the biggest scare to my conscience? Abandoning both of you? Or killing my own blood brother and my mother? Which?
Listen, Choma, I don't ever want to set my eyes on you again. Whatever happens, henceforth, I don't want you getting involved in my case. If they wish to roast me alive, get away. Let them do it. Just pray. Pray that nothing happens to Mama. Pray that she survives just like my cellmate who ate my own snacks did. Just pray, Choma. Pray! What? Come and take me out of here!
But you have to believe your own sister.
I'll go. Take me out.
Look at me, everything you have me.
No one can help us.
I didn't do it.
Only you.
I didn't do it.
To see the pain we are feeling, God, where are you? said you'll never abandon us, Lord.
Thanks to you, whoever you are, whatever you are, for whatever purpose you did it.
God, where are
You did it to me and my family. I'm laughing for you. Take all the glory. Take all the honor. Take all the praise. You have won. You have won.
no one can help us,
That's
God.
not like you.
Only you. God, where are you? Can't you see the pain we're feeling, God? Where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we're suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you? You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you? No one can help us, God. Only you. God, where are you?
Son! Son! Son!
Barrister Edozian. Here. There is 500,000 naira in there.
Sorry, Your Majesty. I mean, why would you invite me to your palace to give me such a huge amount of money? We've never met before.
Well, we're meeting now. And you're the richer for it by 500,000 naira. Isn't that something to be grateful for?
Your Majesty, I am an apostle of the nothing goes for nothing philosophy. So, why are you...
I am paying you to back off Arinze in Uwa's case.
What?
You volunteered to represent him in that case without a fee. And now you have been paid a huge sum of money.
Why, Your Majesty?
You really want me to answer that?
Yes, and it is only on that condition that I will do what you want me to do.
Barrister Edozian, is there anything you think a billionaire, first-class traditional ruler who has paid you a huge sum of money to back off a case cannot do to have his way?
I threatened my life, Your Majesty.
You're smart after all.
Very successful after all.
Very successful. Especially the chairman's side of it. Has Dr. Sam called you to give an update on the mother's state of health in that health center?
Yes. He called me before the barrister arrived and said that the woman has regained consciousness.
She has?
Yes. He said that her grief after she has told what happened has been overwhelming. And since then, she has refused to talk to anyone or agreed to be talked to. She has buried herself in her own grief and been mourning endlessly. Your Majesty, do I administer the lethal injection as we planned?
No. Not now that she has regained consciousness. Nothing dramatic for now, remember. We'll have to find another way of eliminating her pretty soon. For now, I am more interested in Osmond. Call the guy that's searching for him. I want to talk to him now.
They took everything. I came back from the hospital and found the whole money Chioma and I saved gone. All of it. Nothing was left at all.
Bravo. Bravo to the evil one. They finally won.
Don't talk like that, Zarize. Evil can never win a just war.
Ours is not a just war, Mama. It's a war of treachery, of evil and death. There's nothing just about it. Now that it is obvious that a monstrous evil person somewhere was responsible for everything.
What are you trying to say? I don't understand it.
Chioma was set up. The lady that sold the snack to her has disappeared. What? Not just that. The lawyer who volunteered to handle my case left me a while ago. He has dropped the case, Mama. And now you've lost all your money. It's over. It's over, Mama. They won.
What are you saying? Are you trying to...
Mama, I'm trying to say nothing. But bravo to the evil person that is responsible for all this. They've won. It's over, Mama. It's over.
Can't you see the way we are suffering,
Okay.
Lord? Where are you?
Oh, believe when...
God, where are you?
Are you going to sit up there and keep quiet?
Greetings from His Majesty and Stanley.
Yes, hold on. I'm looking on it.
I have husband. What? Hello. Yes. Where did you get the bastard? A village in Cameroon.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, boy. Thank you very much. See, I'm going to pay you handsomely. Cain, I am not as interested in the money as I am interested in Asmon's death. Do you hear me? Go ahead and kill him immediately, even if he does not talk about the money. Yes.
It's alright.
See, just go ahead and chop off his useless head, decapitate it, and then get me video evidence.
I will do exactly as you said.
I hope you have things, the tool necessary to use in getting. Go ahead, do it. Then bring the video evidence to me, and I will pay you handsomely. In fact, I will pay you more than double. Thank you very much. Thank you, boy. Thank you for making my day. Hey, this is what I call surveillance. This is what I call successful mission. Good. Thank you.
Okay.
The bastard told you to kill me, right? He told you to kill me.
He said I should behead you and record it on video and bring it to him as evidence.
Hey, please, don't do such a thing to me, please. I beg you in God's name. Please, don't kill me. I don't want to die. You know what? See, I still have $450,000 of His Majesty's money. Okay? Spare me. I promise I will share the money with you. I will share it with you 50-50. Please.
Too late, bro. His Majesty is more interested in your death than the money. And the man you are talking to is a co-professional. I am not interested in your offer.
Boss, that's a huge amount we're talking about here. That's a huge money. See, we're talking about $450,000. Not $450,000. Huh? Think of what this money can do for you and your family now, please. Don't kill me. Let me tell you something. His Majesty is a bloodthirsty madman. He will just wait like a common dog. Huh? He will not give any dime of what he promised you. Look, let me tell you something. I promise. I'll make you a millionaire instantly, if only.
I said I'm not interested. Save your breath. You have a 0 hour now.
Please, don't kill me now, please. I beg you. Don't kill me, I beg you, God. I don't want to die. Hey, God. What are you doing?
Wait and watch what I'm doing. Or what I'm about to do.
God. Kenny!
Yes, this is Kenny. I am not the ungrateful criminal you call me. I have company.
We are crying every day. The pain is too much. us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling? God, where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord?
Exactly what I wanted. Exactly how I wanted it. Tomorrow I will go personally and see the state governor and ensure that he signs the death warrant in 2 weeks' time.
Congratulations, Your Majesty.
Not yet. Not yet, Stanley. Sit down. Chioma and her mother are still alive. Your man, Ken, is yet to confirm with a video evidence the death of Osmond. 6 days after he called to say that he had him. And since then, his phone has been switched off.
Your Majesty, I have told you not to worry about Ken. If there is anyone that I trust after myself, it's him. And I must tell you that Ken loves surprises more than anything. And I believe that he is at it again with this.
I hate surprises. How many times will I tell you that? I will not believe. There is nothing that will make me believe that Osmond is dead until I see the video evidence. Period.
In that case, I will go for him myself if after 2 days from today, if he did not show up with the evidence.
Meanwhile, I want Ichiozala and Ichio Deku permanently out. They know too much. Tomorrow, you will get them out of the way without any trace. I have paid Inspector Busi to go to Chioma's cell and poison her. The same tomorrow, you will pay her mother a visit. Inform her. By then she will be grieving. Then you will kill her. Make it look like she died out of overwhelming grief. About time we cleaned the table. Then it will be time to celebrate.
Consider it done, Your Majesty. Consider them done.
Has her mother been informed?
Oh yes. Corporal John was sent to go and inform her. And I made sure that there was no mention of poison in their report. She was found dead in her cell, and she will be buried before nightfall as you instructed.
Excellent. Very excellent.
No, Igwe, the chair of Ihube Kingdom, as the owner of this kingdom, my opinion will naturally be guided by the customs and traditions of our land. On this issue, therefore, I stand with the ways of our ancestors.
Thank you very much, Onu. You've spoken very well. Elders in council. I take it that this happens to be the last opinion from the elders in council. Now, my judgment. I hereby align my judgment with that.
Therefore, why be the symbol of authority of our kings belongs to the gods of Ihube, from whom our kings derive their legitimacy, powers, and the privileges. The gods asked me to come to the coven with it. When I shall return, only the gods know. But when that happens, what is hidden shall be revealed, and what is taken shall be restored. But until then, no matter what happens, do not consult any dibia or oracle of seers to know why. They will destroy whoever that tries that in an unimaginable way. Go and tell the way that sent you to me what I just said. Go! Go! Go!
Now listen, all of you. Outside, all of us here, apart from all of us here, I do not want to hear what transpired with the four of Ihube. None of it must be heard outside. Do I make myself clear? Now I'm not just giving an instruction. I am issuing a decree. And I am issuing that decree with my manhood. Disobeying this decree is deadly. Anybody that disobeys my decree will remain sterile. No all the children of that family will be sterile. Now I want to be left alone.
The gods are now out to disgrace and destroy you for what you did to your brother in order to become good 25 years ago. Your fall will be handed over to the new anointed by the chief priest when he returns, and he will tell the people the whole truth. You have lost children like I warned you might.
That's not acceptable to me. It's not acceptable. The throne is mine. It must be handed over to my son upon my death. Not to any person, no matter who he is. I will not accept it. I will not accept it. Reveal to me. Show me the anointed one. Let me kill him. Let me kill him like an animal. Let me kill him like the animal he is, a dog. Sons of Enoa and Theono. But why? Why? Two anointed kings?
The anointed king. Since you wanted him dead, neither me nor anyone else in the kingdom can do it. He has already been consecrated spiritually by the gods. Only the authorities in this case, so only the government can kill him, and only us can make that possible. How you can make that possible is up to you. But if Aliza is still alive in 6 months' time, and the chief priest will return to you, you will hand your vote to him in public. One more thing, make sure that whoever knows about whatever you plan to do to eliminate him does not need to squeal on you later. Or that Sunday you and your entire family will die gracefully. Arinze survives, Arinze becomes king. Arinze dies, you remain the king with your secrets intact. No Dibia, Sia, deity or spirit can help you in this, not in me, for we have all just gotten our gods like this down from the elements. Figure everything out, just said, don't. Oh, they're coming. Who? Powers of evil. They are angry, but I reveal what I just revealed to you. Get out of the chamber before they get here. They are coming to destroy me, and the anger is burning like fire.
What? You who have sacrificed 7 virgins to the sea to acquire? Why? You who have made to understand, to believe that you are powerful and you are indestructible. How can you? What? Why did this happen now? Everything destroyed. Why do they have to do it now? Just when I need it! Just when I need it! This is impractical. This is unacceptable. After what I did, I went to great lengths to assemble all that, to prepare all that. I went to great lengths, and now everything is scattered! Scattered! In the next 1 hour, you will visit Adako. Silence her permanently so that we know that that side is done away with. Once that's done, you will ensure that Ichie Udeku and Ichie Ozala do not return to Yube. Let them go from wherever they are. The governor has signed the execution warrant of Arinze, just like I wanted. I wired 500,000 naira to the account of the prison officials, their head. He will be executed immediately they get the order. Everything is falling in place nicely. It remains finding Kelly and Kane. I want them dead too.
Consider it done, Your Majesty.
I told you to stay back after the snacks boys. I will make sure that the story is told in such a way that nobody will ever suspect that you poisoned the snacks you sold to Joma at the prison gate. No, you ran away, almost rubbishing the entire operation. Now you're back here to my palace. My palace of all places. Why?
I need more money, Your Majesty.
What did you say? I paid you 500,000 naira for that deal.
I just realized the money is too small, Your Majesty. I need to leave this country for the US. And you will arrange that for me. You will also give me 15,000 US dollars. Or I will tell the police and the public about what we did.
Come back to blackmail me. You are here in my palace with every boldness to blackmail your king. How dare you ever think of such, you slut! How dare you?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to spend my life. Spend my life. When they wake you, what do you think? I will show my face here.
Now get up!
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Get up!
I'm sorry.
Turn around!
I'm sorry,
Now start moving. Slowly.
Slowly. Your Majesty, please spare my life. Sorry,
Now turn left. Turn left. Left. Okay, come on, slowly.
Hold. Are you surprised about what you're seeing, Your Majesty? Nemesis and justice have their day, and today is their day in Igube. How come? You want to ask? Come in! Come in, please. The blood of all the people you've killed have finally reached the ears of the Lady of Justice. And she has brought judgment to your household today, Your Highness. No one wins forever. No evil plan is ever foolproof, Your Majesty.
Stanley, you lied to me!
Why? Why? That's not the case, Your Majesty. All of us were lied to and betrayed by all these officers. Can't you see the cuffs in my hands? Look at Daniel too.
We did not betray anybody. We only did what is expected of us when Osmond and Kelly came to us 3 days ago to tell us what has been happening here. The drama about Chioma's death earlier today in our office was just an evidence gathering exercise. Chioma! Chioma! Come! And having gathered enough evidence, may I have the honor to tell you that you have the right to remain silent. Because anything you say again might be used against you in the court of law. Officer! Arrest him. Move it!
Hey! Okay, it's all over.
Hey, wait! Let me pass! You will suffer! You killed my mother! You will suffer! You killed my mother!
You will suffer! This is just the beginning!
Let God punish you!
Put them in there! Filthy rat! Beautiful man! Beautiful man!
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me! Let's go destroy you!
You're destroyed already!
Let heaven destroy you! You are a wicked man!
The curses of a million years will keep following you!
You killed my mother!
Curse!
You killed my mother! Let heaven
Generation is cursed! No!
Mama!
He has gotten what he has done.
You killed everybody!
We are crying every day. The pain is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling? God, where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you?
Arinze, step forward.
Said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you?
From the gods and ancestors of Ihube Kingdom, take this. Take. Rule with truth and justice. I've delivered my message.